Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to loop through more than one list and how to loop if one list has more elements than another. We have this one example as one list with 3 elements and another one as well with 3 elements, that is row 1 with 1, 2, 3, row B with apple, banana, orange in it. Now if we run this, it will give us a pretty nice output, right? But now what if one list is having one more element than the another? So now this will give us this index error, list index out of range. Now to improve this code and not to get such silly error, we can use zip function. Now how this will help is whenever we use this function, it will only perform it to the shortest list. So for example, if we do this and we print I, J, and let's run it. So now it will only run till the shortest list, and that's how you improve our code. So hope you get the valuable lesson from this. See you next time.